All right, so this is finally starting to look like a bike. It's on its own two wheels and supported by its own kickstand. I know there's not as much interest about the minutia of some of the detailed processes and putting the rest of the bike together from this point on, so I thought I'd go ahead and just start filming some montages of the rest of the components as they get assembled onto the bike, hopefully up until first start and then shortly after that, first ride. So the main things, I need to get the rest of the drivetrain put together, gas tank, electricals, I have the seat on order, handlebars, speedometer, the brake system, ignition, throttle, and a few other things like that. But anyway, enjoy this montage and hopefully this will lead up to a successful first start. I know this is ridiculous, but I've got the carbon fiber rear fender for the bike, the German version of the Dax front fender that kind of looks like a military helmet or something for the front, and the top trim piece also in carbon fiber. The wiring harness that comes with the kit is pretty complete. It has provisions for the key. This is for the kill switch, which I won't be using, for the electric start. This is the relay for the starter. One end goes to one of the positive, the other positive goes to the battery. The negative terminal, one end goes to the battery, the other goes to the frame. Full wavelength rectifier, CDI. These go to the coil, this goes to the engine. This is the neutral light indicator. And it comes with I've made it two, but it comes with one wiring harness that has 3 positive leads and 1 negative lead for powering lights. I went ahead and split that because I'm going to use one for the front and one for the back. But this all sits kind of right in the core of the bike. And then I made my own wiring harness that's going to run up to the front headlight bucket. So I have one wiring harness here that has those 3 positive leads and 1 negative that's going to come off of this. One for the starter, one for the brake light, and then this is to carry the neutral indicator light up to the headlight bucket. All right, I got the electrical all running through the bike and I've got a battery hooked up. I just want to make a couple of tests and I think I'm actually going to try to fire the engine. I've got it in neutral, so I just want to see if it'll crank the starter. Oh yeah. All right. All right, I've got goggles on for safety because I'm going to try to fire this up for the first time. There's still a lot of work to do on the bike, but I have, I think, the entire fuel and ignition system set up. I've just got the cable here for the throttle that I can pull on. And since I've already tried out the starting mechanism, I know that that works. I'm getting spark. So there's no reason why this shouldn't fire up. So let's see what happens. All right, so that was pretty exciting. Started up pretty quickly, and I love the sound of the exhaust. There's still a lot of work left to do on this bike, but pretty excited now that I know that it at least fires up. The exhaust sounds great. Didn't notice anything particularly wrong. It started up really easily. Excited now to do the final touches on the bike, and hopefully not too long from now get the first ride in. So thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.